Hello student, welcome to another session of construction of quadrilaterals. In our previous session we have discussed construction of quadrilaterals of problems of exercise 3.1 first and second problem, and let us discuss the remaining problems. Okay, exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1 C and D we will discuss today. C, question number C, that is parallelogram PQRS, parallelogram PQRS with PQ is 4.5 centimeters, QR is 3 centimeters, and angle PQR is 60 degrees. Angle PQR is 60 degrees. This is our question. What we are going to do here is construct quadrilateral or construct a parallelogram with this. Okay, parallelogram is given here. Parallelogram is given. So we know that parallelogram is also a quadrilateral. Parallelogram is also a quadrilateral. So how can we construct this? How can we construct this parallelogram quadrilateral with these measurements? To construct the quadrilateral we need 5 measurements. Already we know that to construct a quadrilateral we need 5 measurements. But here we have only 3 measurements. Here we have only 3 measurements. How can we construct? Yes, we have to analyze the given figure. We have to analyze the given figure. To analyze the given figure is the quadrilateral is given a parallelogram. Parallelogram means in a parallelogram the opposite sides are equal and they are parallel to. So PQ is given and QR is given. At the Q 60 degrees is given. So we can write the remaining 2 sides also. Is it clear? Is it clear? Given is a parallelogram, but we need to construct with 5 measurements. So by analyzing that a parallelogram, in a parallelogram the opposite sides are equal and parallel. So by using this property we can construct the parallelogram. Steps of construction. Steps of construction. And before going to write the steps, write analysis. Analysis. How can we analyze this? Here the measurements, here given the measurements, three only, but we know that in a parallelogram the opposite only not the pair of opposite the pair of opposite lines or sides, pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. This is a parallelogram. Parallelogram property. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. So what we can say? Therefore, if PQRS, if we have written PQRS is a parallelogram, in this parallelogram, PQ length is equals to RS. Therefore, PQ is equals to RS is equals to 4.5 centimeters, and QR is equals to PS is equals to QR equals to PS is equals to 3 centimeters, and angle PQR is 60 degrees. Angle PQR is 60 degrees. This is our analysis. To construct a quadrilateral, to construct a parallelogram, we need 5 measurements, but here they are given only 3 measurements. By analysis, we know that we will find all the 5 measurements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 measurements. So now write the steps of construction. Draw a rough sketch. Step 1. Step 1. Draw a rough sketch of the parallelogram with the given measurements. Draw a rough sketch with the given measurements. Given measurements are PQRS. This parallelogram means when these are parallel. PQRS. And PQ is 4.5. Angle Q 60 degrees. So it is like this, 60 means. Okay, it is 60 degrees, and this is 3 centimeters. This is R. Here also it is 4.5 centimeters. Here also it is 3 centimeters. This is rough sketch of the parallelogram. And step 2. Construct a triangle PQR with the given measurements. PQ is 4.5, QR is 3 centimeters, and angle Q is 60 degrees. Okay, construct a triangle PQR. Construct a triangle PQR with the given measurements. PQR with the given measurements. PQ is 4.5 centimeters. Angle Q is 60 degrees, and QR is 3 centimeters. Okay, write these 2 steps, and then I will give the remaining 2 steps, and I will give the construction. Okay. Let us write the third step. Let us write the third step. Third step, step 3. Step 3. To locate the fourth vertex. To locate the fourth vertex. This is PQRS. This is PQRS, and we have constructed a triangle PQR. To locate the fourth vertex, draw an arc from P and draw another arc from R. Okay. So, to locate the fourth vertex, draw an arc from P with 3 centimeters and draw another arc from R with 4.5 centimeters to intersect the other point at S. Okay. Draw another arc from R with 4.5 centimeters to intersect the previous arc at S. From P, draw an arc. From R, draw an arc. And step 4, join PS and RS. Join PS and RS to complete the parallelogram. PQRS. These are our steps construction. Okay. Draw the first write the steps, then I will explain the construction. Okay. Now the construction. What are our measurements? PQ is 4.5 centimeters. PQ is of 4.5 centimeters. Of 4.5 centimeters. At Q 60 degrees. So we know how to construct the 60 degrees angle. At Q 60 degrees. Draw an arc with more than half length from here with more than half length and draw another arc. This is Q. Okay, and this is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Now QR is equals to 3 centimeters. From Q to locate the vertex R with 3 centimeters, draw an arc. With 3 centimeters, draw an arc. Okay, this is R of 3 centimeters, QR of 3 centimeters, and from R with 4.5 centimeters. This is a parallelogram. In this parallelogram, the plane of opposite sides are parallel and equal. So from R, 4.5 centimeters one arc, and with 3 centimeters from P. 3 centimeters from P. So this intersecting point is S. Join RS and PS to complete the quadrilateral, to complete the parallelogram PQRS. Okay, this PQRS is our parallelogram. Okay, is it finished? And let us go for another problem. That is D. Okay. Question D is rhombus. Rhombus, MATH, with AT 4 centimeters. Angle MAT is 120 degrees. Okay. In our previous case, 3 measurements given, and now here only 2 measurements are given. But it is a rhombus given. Rhombus means in a rhombus all the 4 sides are of equal measure. In a rhombus all the 4 sides are of equal measure. We know that. So right, by using the property of the rhombus we can construct this construction. Right, analysis. Here we have only 2 measurements. Here we have only 2 measurements. 2 rhombus. Only two measurements to construct a rhombus. We know that in a rhombus, all the four sides, all the adjacent sides are of equal length. We know that in a rhombus, all the adjacent sides are of equal measure. So in MATH, if this is MATH, MA equals to AT equals to TH equals to MH is equals to. These all equals to 4 centimeters only. So write AT equals to TH equals to HM is equals to AM is equals to all are of equal length 4 centimeters and angle MAT is equals to 120 degrees. Okay, so 4 measurements and 1 angle. 4 sides and 1 included angle are given. Now write the steps of construction. This is just analysis. Only 1 measurement given. So to construct this, how to analysis rhombus in the all the adjacent sides are of equal length. So all the sides lengths are 4 centimeters only. Now write steps of construction. Steps of construction. Step 1. Draw a rough sketch of the rhombus with the given measurements. Draw a rough sketch with the given measurements. Okay. Next, step 2. Step 2. Construct a triangle. First, draw the rough sketch. What is the rough sketch? ATMH. So at A 120 degrees. These all are 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Okay. Step 2. Construct a triangle MAT with these measurements. Okay. Construct a triangle MAT with MA is equals to 4 centimeters, AT is equal to 4 centimeters, angle MAT is 120 degrees. By using these 3 measurements, construct a triangle. Okay. Next, step 3. To locate the fourth vertex. To locate this fourth vertex, draw an arc from MH and draw another arc to intersect this. Okay. Draw an arc from M. Draw an arc from M with 4 centimeters. Draw another arc from T. Draw another arc from T with 4 centimeters, to intersect our previous arc at H. Okay, from M draw one arc, from T draw another arc, and now join step 4, join MH and TH, to complete the rhombus. Okay, these are our steps. First we have to analyze. Given one measurement only, but it is given it is a rhombus. In a rhombus, all the 4 adjacent sides are of equal measure. So by using this analysis, we can write the steps. Please copy these. Then I will give the construction now. Okay, is it finished? And now I will give the construction. First, MA with 4 centimeters. MA with 4 centimeters. And at A 120 degrees. To construct the 120 degrees, we have to construct first 60 degrees. We have to construct 60 degrees with more than half length, 60, and with the same length if we have constructed, it is 120. It is 120. So this is the angle with 120 degrees. Now with the same measure, MA measure only for the all sides, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. So from A 4 centimeters, construct one arc. From here also construct one arc. From here construct another arc. Okay, this intersecting point is H and join MH, TH. These are the sides of 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 4 centimeters. And this is our required rhombus. This is our required rhombus. Okay. Please copy this construction. And practice and draw these two constructions. What I have given here, C and D, these two different types of constructions, you have to draw these in your homework book. That is only the homework. Practice and construct exercise 3.1 C and D constructions in your homework book. Okay, these two you have to practice.